Okay, I'm gonna put a bit of flux. There we go. I'm gonna use 350 degrees, 50% airflow, and it's an I have an Aten 862D. Pin 0, by the way, is down here, and it's indicated by this O here. I'm going to increase the air to 400 degrees. Okay, made it 80% airflow. There we go. Now, while the board is still hot, I'm going to go over the pins to prepare them for the transfer in case this proves to be the correct diagnosis. A little bit of flux. And I'm going to set the soldering iron to 350 degrees C. Okay, here we go. little bit more flux. Okay. Let me do a bit of a cleanup so we can see what we're dealing with. Okay, I'm not sure if this is a bridge or whether these two paths are connected. Let me try and add more flux and see if it cleans up. Okay, I think it was a bridge. Okay. Another quick cleanup. Let me use a toothbrush. Okay, I think that looks okay. For an amateur like me anyway. Okay, let's check if the short is gone. Once again, diode mode. We're gonna test, where are they? These caps right here. I'm getting a 0.3 diode reading now. It's no longer shorted. Let me try the small one. This one is giving me 0.435 reading. We'll try one more. The other small one here. Oops. Oops. Okay. Oh, this is so finicky. Okay. 0.30. Oops. Again. 0.303. Okay, so I think we've eliminated the short. And that bodes well for this attempted repair. Okay, so the next step is I'm gonna open the other device, the other camera, and remove the board so that I can transfer the chip. Here is the chip that we removed. Oh boy, let's see here. This is so hard. Oops. Okay, so that's the chip right there. I couldn't read the chip number from this one because it was burnt, but I plan to read it from the other one that I'm about to open. Let's keep it here so we don't lose it. Okay, so I think we should proceed and remove this chip so we can put it on the other one. So turn on the hot air station. Then use 420 and 80% airflow. A bit of flux. Oh, that's a bit too much. That's okay. There's no such thing as too much flux. Alright, here we go. Okay, that was much easier than the last time. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of flux. Hopefully it will come out. Oops. Okay, seems to be coming out in bursts. Let me wipe a tiny bit of this off. Okay. Okay, because I'm inexperienced, I'm gonna use lower air speed. So I'm gonna come down to 50% from 80, and the temperature 400. There we go. I'm turning down the air some more. Okay, I made it 25%. Right, that's the right position. Okay. Okay, I think the solder is molten. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of flux and see if I can. Let me check if it's a tiny bit solid. Yeah, it is a bit. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more flux and reflow it. Wish me luck. There we go. Higher air temperature, higher air speed, 50%. Okay. Okay, I think we're good. Okay. Now I'm gonna squeeze in the middle and come back. In case there's a lot of solder on the bottom, it will squeeze out. So I just have to hold my hand in the middle, push down, and come back with the hot air. And that didn't go very nicely. Okay, I'm gonna try it one more time. Okay, pushing down. Yeah, I think that should do it. Keep holding. Okay. Alright, I'm going to do a bit of cleanup before the flux dries and becomes very hard to remove. Okay, I'm going to come in with my toothbrush now. Turn back the ring light on. Okay. Okay, I've spent quite a bit of time testing for shorts, for good connections, for any anomalies. I even compared some of the readings with the other board, and I couldn't find anything wrong, even though the soldering work may not be the best. I think the best way to test this is to plug it in and see if we get any LED indication. So let's do that. And the LED is going to be here. So to the right of the micro USB. Okay, let's plug it in and see what happens. Hopefully no smoke. Here we go. No smoke, but no blinking LED. Well, hello again. It's the second day now, and the plan is to remove the chip, add some more solder on the pads, and then resolder the chip and hope that will fix it. I'm gonna do all this off camera because the video is getting way too long. So I'll do it off camera, inspect it, and I'll be back. I've re-soldered the chip, and just going to show you quickly what it looks like. I know that looks like a bridge, but I've confirmed from the other board that these two pads are the same. They're both ground, so it's not an issue. And then let's look at this side. This side. Next side. The last side. There we go. Okay, so At this point, the board has cooled down enough, and I'm going to plug it and see what happens. Okay, we have a light. Let me see. There we go. Now on the previous one, at some point it started blinking orange, blue, but perhaps for that to happen, I need to reassemble it and connect. Actually, let me connect the other part, the two other PCBs, actually the two other connectors, and let's see if this behavior changes. Okay, so this is right here, this is right there. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, I think we're good now. Alright, I'm going to plug it back in and see if we get a different light pattern now. Hopefully. Okay, so that's the orange light. And actually, I'm not sure if the orange blue is correct, because even the second cam was defective. Ah, no, there we go. Orange blue, orange blue. Let's plug this in and see what happens. Yeah, we're still getting the orange light. And it should change to the blue light. Yeah, there we go. Orange and blue blinking. I don't know if this pattern changes. And anything in the front? No, I don't see anything obvious in the front. So I'm going to call this fixed, even though I'm not sure it's fixed, but at least it has power now. I'll check with my friend to see whether it's fixed. I'll give it to him, have him test it, and if I have any news on this, I'll put it in a comment or put it in the description or something like that. Okay, well anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.